Hello everyone! Welcome to a new YouTube video. My name is Jules, or you can pronounce it as Jules, whatever you like. I make content about houseplants. I go to garden centers, but I primarily show my own plants. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe if you like plant content. And you can visit my website, plantswithjules.com, for plant care info and weekly blogs. But today, we have really exciting plant mail. Woohoo! A couple months ago, someone DM'd me and he asked me if I wanted some free plants so he could ship some to me. And of course, I said yes. Long story short, I have a box. Woohoo! I am very excited to open this. I have been waiting for this package a couple months now. And yeah, let's just cut to the chase. Let's open it. Very carefully though. Oh, I don't want to hurt any plants. Wait. Alright, I think this is enough, yeah. Oh my god, bubble plastic. Oh wait, this is kind of hard to do. I'm just way too excited for this. So if you're wondering who sent me these plants, it is Mitch. You can find him on Instagram as Plant Addict without an A in the plant. Oh my god, I'll put the link in the description. We'll talk about him more later, but first let's check out the plants. And oh my god, I see something! Okay. How do I do this? Do I like kind of pull it out? Oh my god! I don't know what to do. Okay. The box is empty. Alright. Oh no! No. Soil fell out. Wait. What do I do? Oh wait, it's not that bad. I mean, I have a vacuum, so. Okay. Let's just carefully open it. Oh my god, I see something. Wait. Okay. You guys seeing this? I think it's an alocasia corm. Is this a Monstera frozen freckles? Wait. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my god. I saw this plant once at a plant market. I think it is. What is this? Oh, look at this. This is so beautiful. Wow, this is so gorgeous. Oh my god. This is absolutely gorgeous. This one has been on my wish list too. This is so cool. Thank you so much. Just look how gorgeous. It is so cool. This variegation. This is, oh wow. I am speechless. This is, whoa, a lot. Okay. He said that he had 3 plants in here. Oh my god. Oh wait, I think I see one. Oh yeah, he also said that he would add an alocasia corm, which is very cool. Okay, let's carefully open it up. Oh, this is packed so well. This is, wow. Okay. Are you guys ready? Oh, it's a tiny corm. Look at this. This is so cute. And some perlite. Does it say anything? No, I think this is just a mystery corm. Which, to be honest, makes it more fun. Because you don't really know what you're gonna get. This is so cool. I like this little pot and the perlite. This is done so well. Just look at this. Absolutely stunning. Thank you so much. I'm really happy with this. Okay, before I move on to the final plant, I want to admire this one a little bit more. Just look at this variegation. It literally looks frozen. It has some sort of pattern and kind of a weird, unique leaf shape, which I really like. Frozen freckles. I like the name too. Let's just open it, because why not? Ooh, wow. Oh my god. This is so cool. I'm so honored. Thank you so much, Mitch, for sending me these plants. This is so sweet. And it was all for free. Oh, it has another. Oh my god, it has 3 leaves. No way. Oh, that is so cool. That is so freaking cool. Wait. Oh, this is even more beautiful than I expected. Oh, wow. Oh, this is seriously such a stunning monstera. I cannot wait to grow. Should I grow this on a moss bowl? Maybe it'll get really big. Oh, wow. This one is so tiny and cute. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. This is so cool. This one is 1 fenestration, this one is 2 fenestrations, and this one has like 4 or 5. This is the first really mature leaf. Thank you so much. This is so cool. Okay, so right now we have the corm and the monstera frozen freckles. And yes, this was it. Alright, here we have the big plants. Some soil fell. That's okay. Okay. Are you guys ready? Because I'm not. Oh, wow. I don't even know what to do. I don't know which one is correct. Which side. This side feels more heavy, but I don't know. You know what? I'm going to open it like this because I don't know which one is. Can I maybe? Well, I see soil here. But I also see soil here, which means that there are 2 plants inside. I don't know. Let's just open it. Oh, guys. Oh. 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 Oh my god. Oh. No. Oh my god. No. No. Is this really? Oh wait. Is it kind of tangled up? No. You gotta be kidding me. Is this what I think it is? Is this a Gloriosa Ver? Oh, wait. Hold up. Wait. Ah. Does it say anything? But this isn't. No. Oh, this is such a dream plant. I'm sorry. I'm really focused on the plants, not really on the filming. So I'm sorry if you don't really see it correctly, but oh. No way. Oh, no, this is so beautiful. Has been on my wish list for like the longest time. And this is so cool. Oh, wait. How do I do this? This is packed so nicely too. Like, this is so impressive. Okay. Are you guys ready? Here it is. I think this is another Gloriosa Variegata. No way! Or is this tricolor? No, this is Variegata. Okay. So, this is the coolest thing ever. Whoa. Oh, this guy is brilliant. I don't even know where he got all of these plants. And these are quite expensive and rare too. Yes, but he's giving me updates every once in a while. And he says like, oh yeah, the plants are growing. And I just did not expect it to be this. You know? I was expecting maybe like a variegated Pilea or a nice little Monstera. Which, I mean, I have, but this one's way cooler. But I have freaking Gloriosa Variegata. Philodendron Gloriosa, to be more exact. Oh, wow. This is such a wishlist plant. Like, I know I've said it for like 3 times. But, oh, wow. Oh, this is so darn cool. Especially because it's growing a new leaf. Isn't this just the coolest thing ever? Look at this. Look at this. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. The leaves are a little bit broken, but that's okay. It'll grow new ones. And wow, I'm so honored. Oh, I am, wow, I'm flabbergasted. I don't even know what to say. Thank you. Let's just open it a little bit more. because why not? This is so cool. So these are packed really nicely. Let's see. Don't want to cut myself. But there is no label. But I do think that this really is a Gloriosum leaf. So yeah, I have a variegated Gloriosum. This is so cool. Whoa. Oh, thank you so much. The coolest thing ever. Oh. Okay, so let me just clean up a little bit and I'll show you the plants. We have this new vacuum cleaner. Very cool. In case you're wondering why my phone quality is maybe so bad, because I'm filming on an iPhone right now. Because my regular Samsung got sent off to be fixed. And yeah, I'm temporarily using this iPhone right now. I've used Samsung my entire life, so it's a little bit complicated, but it's okay. And here are the plants. Thank you so freaking much. I'm so happy with these plants. Let's go put them in my room. But yeah, I'm very excited to see this one grow. Thank you for watching and thank you Mitch for the plants. Everyone, go to Instagram, follow Plants Addict. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys. And tell me in the comments which one is your favorite plant. Video of course. City Monstera Frozen Freckles, Mystery Alocasia, one of the two Gloriosum. Let me know.